Hello everyone, welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this video, I will show you how to fix Slack not downloading in iOS 18. So let's start the video. First of all, check your internet connection will be work properly or not. And here you can check my internet connection will be work properly. Here you can see my internet connection will be work properly. And after checking the internet connection, restart your iPhone. It can fix minor glitches. For restart your iPhone, press and hold volume down button and power button at the same time. And then slide this icon to right side for restart your iPhone. After restart your iPhone, your problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix your problem, then offload your Slack app. Then open settings and then click on general. And you can see the option iPhone storage. Now click on iPhone storage and then you can see the Slack. Now click on it and you can offload your Slack here, and after offload your Slack, then reinstall your app. After doing these steps, your problem will be fixed. So this is the way to fix Slack not downloading in iOS 18. Thanks for watching this video.